deserve a good comment when you message me on my Instagram, my WhatsApp. What's great? No, I want to message you now. Yeah, you message me there. Open what? Open the close. Oh my god. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Oh. Stretching. Feel backache. Oh, hello. So who's that calling me? Oh boy. No, I'm not. Get your number right. Yes. That's my number. I'll answer after live because I'm still gone live. I use one phone. My name is Naomi. Naomy. Naomi. Or Naomi. Open dress. Wish I open dress. Mm, please what? Why you call me? Boobs open no. Go to my Patreon account. Nice what? Plus the word you're from? Bahamas? What's it? Elvis Constantine. Boobs open. We get boobs open. No. In my Patreon account. Idol camera po. Malabo. Malabo ba? Ikaw lang yung malabo siguro yung mata. Mm-mm. Kanina ka pa kasi sabi malabo, malabo. Gumamit ka ng eyeglass. Gumamit ka ng eyeglass. Kasi ato pa ako. Ah, bumaba. Bumaba. Hello, Jessie 13. Look, it's. I think I said hi. Hi, hello. Here's my. Yeah, I remember you last time. Every hour in my arms again. Origin, Philippines in Mindanao. I'm from the Pitan City, far from Manila. Our capital, what's it? Capital city? Manila is far from Mindanao. It travels 1 and 45 minutes in a plane. Sure, why not? Walang magbabag.